Sam Poole, hails out of Keymar, Maryland. He's running a John Deere R, about a 1950-51 model. Watched him the past couple nights on Facebook. He had it all tore apart, couldn't get it started, but he made it out here for the pool tonight. First tractor out tonight. 8,000 pound, the old 2-cylinder John Deere R. Got 2 pistons in it, about the size of a 5-gallon bucket apiece. Runs horizontal. It's started by a 2-cylinder gas pony motor. And then that runs on gas and flip compression over to diesel. Truck driver by trade. The old Rebel sled's going to shut him down about 284 feet. 284.7 for Sam. Backed in here with the farmall 460 wide front. First time puller here tonight. Definitely got her in low. Usually you throw the torque up there about 50 feet, but he'll learn. Not bad for the first time out. 187.05, 187.05. I pulled against Dwight for many years here at the fair. Always a good competitor. Not a bad run for the 7600 Ford, 305.42. All right, Mr. Sam Poole was back with the John Deere R and the 2 big pistons going back and forth. 1950 John Deere R. First pull was 284.7. We'll see how he played the odds maker. .89, 282.89. He should have kept the first one. 2 feet short. We appreciate your sponsorships this year. Mr. Henry Burnett from right up the road here. Longtime 4-H'er in Fuller. Got the 560 diesel with the factory turbos set up on it. Very few of them tractors out. Always a strong running 560. Pulled the torque back, got the front end standing up, and he's good for 293.47. 293.47. Alrighty, Mr. Eric Althoff right here in Westminster running a 1963 Oliver 1800. Got the pressed steel wheels on the back of her. The old 6-cylinder inline there, probably about the 310, I believe it is. The tractor's 58 years old. $76.58. $76.58. Farmall 460. Very competitive tractor there. We pull with Jacob a lot over the season. Jacob took her right down to the last putt at 271.42. 271.42. All right, Mr. John Wood from over in the Manchester area, 1950 Minneapolis Moline GTB. Running on propane. Let the front end just dancing along. That's the way you like it. Transfer all your weight right back there on the back tire. Doesn't get much dirtier than that. $278.55. $278.55. All right, Mr. Dale Waldemeyer from right here in Westminster, and he's pulling a GB Moline, about the same setup. This one's running on gasoline, where Mr. Wood was running on propane. Again, another strong running Moline. .53, 284.53.